Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to use iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius to unlock iPhone Forgot Passcode. Now connect the iPhone to your computer. Then put it into recovery mode. Open iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius. Choose Unlock Lock Screen. Click Start. Click the next button on the software. Your iPhone model name and firmware version are displayed here. Click Download to download the firmware package online. Just wait during this process. Okay, now you should pay attention to the note text. If you can accept this, click the Unlock to remove iPhone screen lock. Well done, the iPhone is unlocked successfully. Now it restarts on the Hello screen. You can set it up quickly. If needed, you can create a passcode to protect your iPhone data again. Alright, your iPhone can be used normally now. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.